Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox high quality on mobile. First, let's dive into the in-game settings. Once you're in any Roblox experience, tap the Roblox icon, usually found in the top left corner. From there, navigate to the Settings tab. You'll want to change your graphics mode to manual to gain full control. Then, simply slide the graphics quality bar towards the right, aiming for a setting between 8 and 10, for the best visuals your device can handle. Next, let's optimize your device for peak performance. Always close any apps running in the background to free up valuable memory and processing power. A stable internet connection is crucial, so use a strong Wi-Fi network, ideally a 5 GHz connection, instead of mobile data. Also, make sure your device has sufficient free storage and regularly clear its cache. These steps significantly reduce lag and enhance visual quality. For Android users seeking an even sharper image, you can explore your device's developer options. First, enable these options through your phone's About Phone settings. Then, find the smallest width setting. Increasing this value perhaps to 600 dp can force Roblox to render at a higher resolution, making everything look much crisper. Just remember, this will also make your phone's overall user interface appear smaller. Finally, here are some general tips to maintain high quality. Always keep your Roblox app updated to benefit from the latest performance improvements. A simple device restart can also clear temporary glitches. Try to avoid playing when your battery is very low or while charging, as this can throttle performance. Lastly, joining less populated game servers can often lead to a smoother, higher quality experience with fewer interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.